Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shibrobi, known as a Gracia or the Sea of the Sea. Mondino. Onyejogugu yakwere udo na nke ikpeazụ a. I have come to preach to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke aha na-ezoro gị, eziokwu nke Chineke, eziokwu nke osebụla ụwa. It is unto you to listen and listen to what I have to say. Ọ bụrụ na aghọrọ ya gị na nke ikpeazụ a, do not come and blame me, please. You need to listen to me. For a very long time, I have been preaching this truth, and some of you thought that I'm egwu. But today, since you are now seeing the things that I have been preaching, it is unto you to acknowledge it. It is unto you to acknowledge it. They are not finished yet. They are in union, unism. After all, at the beginning, ikensi n'uru agụ na-emere campaign for oge nkere. He was campaigning for oge nkere. Ikensi uru agụ. All of them are in unism. Ihe ndị DOS na-eme today bụ ihe akara ime at the first time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. They should have done this. They wanted to do it, not that they don't want to do it. But the problem that they have then was Mazi Simon Ekpa. And in order to defeat Mazi Simon Ekpa, they need to tell you, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent. Have you forgotten that they told you that Mazi Simon Ekpa collected $2.7 million in order to blackmail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Have you forgotten? Now that they are blackmailing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you now know who collected the money. Because if there is no money, they wouldn't know the exact amount, $2.7 million. That was the amount paid to them to blackmail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Mazi Simon Ekpa was a strong rock. He was stopping everything from every angle, and they couldn't contend with it. And in order to stop Mazi Simon Ekpa, they have to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Buy your sympathies. Those of you were deceived into believing that, Mazi Simon Ekpa is evil. He sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's working for Nigerian government. He's agent. That is all they told you. And on this very program, because they brought a woman. This very woman asked her, where she? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was everywhere preaching. The preaching of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu couldn't turn her mind. The one called Akwuna Nneka Ikpumezie couldn't turn her mind. And she told you, suddenly, she started talking about IPOB, and she told you I visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And when she came back, it is promoting DOS. DOS, they are not evil. So you know whom they are working for. Nigerian government. Calm it down. Suppress what is happening. Make them to look like a caricature. They are making this very Biafra struggle to look like caricature. But those of us, the same mind in this very struggle, will stop them. We will stop them. If they like, they can preach to son and sundry who they can deceive. They even came to tell you people, if we are not evil, why are people running away from us? And we have the video of BLA, people hailing the BLA. We have the video of people hailing Eastern Security Network. We have the video of people saying that Nigerian government are burning their buildings, burning their houses. We even have the video of a sitting governor ordering village to get away because they are harboring criminals. As the Udele, Nwamoke is telling you people today. Nwamoke is telling you people that a village is harboring BLA, a village that they will deal with the PG, that they are posing threats. The same way they are telling you, village run away. They said that they will invade the village, they will do this. That is the same thing that they did in the village that ran away. And you people are seeing it. You don't have discerning spirit. You don't know where to belong. Because they have told you, oh, don't share my program. Anything that I'm saying here, let it look like a joke. Let us go and pray. We must pray, please. We must pray that the kingdom of hell will never prevail. Let us go, please. After we return, we begin playing their videos, please.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ. Ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi, onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla ka anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt bụ otu ọgbọ wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na eji ama mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị bụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ija mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise ise ise.
Did you know? You are welcome to this very program, please. Did you know that the Akwuna called Akwuna Nneka Ikpumezie hosted Barrister Oranwunye mmadụ, the one that was having carnal knowledge of the wife of Nnamdi Kanu? Due to the crime that they committed, that is the reason why they wanted Nnamdi Kanu to buy, because they don't want it to the public. Barrister Ikpumezie was knacking the wife of Nnamdi Kanu, the one you called Uchechi. And they have a child. And I have asked, Uchechi have 2 children. Why is it that in all of this, it is only one child that she is flaunting? What happened to the other one? There is nowhere in public that you can see before now the photo of that child at any public. Why is she flaunting only one child? And when 2 children now, why is only one picture going everywhere? Or did you even hurt your child? Did you hurt your child? Why are you posting only one picture? So that one doesn't deserve a benefit of snapping picture. When she said that when she lied to you people, that she went to DSS to visit Nnamdi Kanu, she told you people, Nnamdi Kanu asked about only one. What about Nnemeka? What happened to the other one? Why don't Nnamdi Kanu ask about that one? Go to her article, is there. That Nnamdi Kanu asked about Nnemeka. And I begged the DSS to present Nnemeka. Then what happened to the other one? She never visited Nnamdi Kanu except once that she confessed that she visited Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu told her, have you come to give me the last kiss? That was what she said. Have you come to give me the last kiss? Asa, she said it with her mouth. That was what Nnamdi Kanu told her. So that you people will know the truth. Not from me, from them. who are lying and spreading falsehood. Nevertheless, we are here to disgrace their falsehood. We are here to lie it bare for even the blind man to see that they have been lying, that they are liars and deceivers. Somebody shamelessly having carnal knowledge of somebody's wife, called Ejiofor, a barrister. Those of you whom is calling barrister, hiring barrister, mind the way your barrister is approaching your wife. Somebody was called to defend a client, and the person came and started defending Ikpumunye Onyaha. Defending the person in Zaza room. They were defending each other. And that defense gave birth to one issue. Uchechi, you are good at terminating pregnancy. Maybe you should even give the other one or tapia. Because come rain, come sunshine, there will be DNA for that child. That child that you have been hiding from the public, that belongs to Ejiofor, there will be DNA. And you people will come and swear if Ejiofor used to knock you or not. If Ejiofor used to knock you, immediately Uchechi told you people that they want to apprehend her in Nigeria. She said it in Radio Biafra, that they want to do this and do that to her. That is the reason why you have not been seeing her attending courts. That was what she said. But immediately, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked Ejiofor. The next 2 days, Uchechi went to Nigeria. Immediately, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked Ejiofor. After Uchechi have been giving you reasons of not visiting Nigeria, that they want this and they want that. Immediately, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked Ejiofor. The next 2 days, Uchechi was in Nigeria. Already campaigning, saying those who sack Ejiofor must compensate him, that the man have suffered. Why are they sacking him? This and that. Against your husband. Against your husband. You now love a particular barrister better than your husband. She even went as far as visiting Ejiofor's chamber, and she snapped a picture there saying that I have visited Ejiofor and that there is no sack. Even when Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacked the entire DOS, she returned them. There is no sack. Today, the same DOS have come against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They are now saying that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is the one buying people. These are all they wanted to do at the first place. They were the people that sold Onyendu. I was doing this exposition because of it. I had too many enemies. I had too many people praying that I should be captured and pied. I had the one now. What is his name? Aside Hot. Aside Hot was praying that I will be captured and pied. Aside Hot. I'm telling you the truth. Aside Hot was saying that he knows my location. That if I do not take time, that they will buy me. Today, Aside Hot is seeing clearly. I am Mwashibrobi place. And I read one thing that one Nigerianist, those preaching one Nigeria, wrote on my platform yesterday. He said, Biafra struggle have become mockery, that if you do not agree with each other, you will be blacklisted a sabo, and then they will jail you, and then they will look for you to buy. If you believe this nonsense, that means you are in for a shock. Right from onset, the people taking this agenda are those one Nigerianists, those promoting Nigeria. Because they know that they have come to blackmail. They have come to preach to you one Nigeria. And we don't like it. We have said anybody preaching one Nigeria must go to Sokoto. Those are the people kidnapping our youth and buying them. But if you go after them, they will tell you, oh, because that person did not buy your narrative, that is the reason why you are after the person. But you are kidnapping people's children and buying them. But when it gets to you, you will start another propaganda. Oh, because I do not buy your narrative, that is the reason why. These are what Nigeria have planted among us. As I'm talking to you now, they are everywhere burning people's building in Osun. Are you aware? Kidnapping people's children, going from house to house and say, Natuaka, that this family was among the BLA, this family was among the BLA. As I'm talking to you in Osun, is those people not people's children? What are their crime? That they belongs to the people's army. And they said, oh, this army was fighting the people. If those army was fighting the people, why are people surrounding? There are video before the Nigerian army came and sacked the whole family. We saw the video of the Nigerian army burning people's house. We saw it. It is an evidence that, oh, they are supporting BLA, that for that reason they should burn their houses. We saw the video. And today, those people that burn innocent houses are now telling you, oh, those people are evil. If they do not agree with you, you look for somebody to buy, but you're already buying people's children. Those propaganda cannot run where I am. You can't use such propaganda. You cannot run such propaganda where I am. Stop deceiving the people, please. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi. Stop deceiving the people. You must let the people know the truth. And freedom is the utmost priority, please. Now I want to play you a video of where Nneka Ikpumezie invited Ejiofor. Please watch, because so that you will hear the truth. And the next video the former video Kantigon video meburu. Ebona sobro na Mazen Nnamdi Kanu na agwa onwe ya eziokwu. The same Mazen Nnamdi Kanu also no DOS ka ọ họrọ. Mana ọsọ ha na ọ bụrụ na ọ na-agwa ya eziokwu maka Mazen Nnamdi Kanu gwara ya na ndị ọ na-akpọ DOS are not DOS, that they have been sacked. Also, oh, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu cannot control from DSS. Man, ị gara ebe ị ga-aga ajụ ya onye bụ the right source. Onye na-ama control from DSS. Ị ga-aga ajụ ya onye bụ the right source. Ọ gwazie gị the right source. So, oh, if you not control, I want to play it to you. The first video, then play here gebo ọkpọtara Ejiofor. The plan ab initio is to make DOS the right and then die everything about Biafra. It will be handed over to the Nigerian government. They have captured the autopilot side. They have captured it. The Biafra government in exile is being piloted by faceless this criminal called Ogenkere. The BGC is the right path. The only incorruptible government among them. Ngozi Orabezi is answerable to Nigerian government. Kezi Ogenkere is answerable to Nigerian government. In case if you do not believe me, maka ihe ọbụla nna agwa unu, ihe m bidoro tibere unu mkpu for 5 years na ya ka ha na-ekwu, the same thing m gwara unu, m mere ha expose ya ka ha na-eme, that the only agenda is to buy Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. The only agenda is to run propaganda against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Forget this, their Mazen Simon Ekpa mantra. They see Mazen Simon Ekpa as opposition, as somebody who stopped them from their aim. That is the reason why they are fighting him. May God bless Mazen Simon Ekpa, please. Incorruptible leader. Somebody who chooses his conscience above everything. Somebody who chooses freedom above money. And we need to bring those who started it back. We need to bring them back. And we need to bring everybody back. You see those people that they ran propaganda against, starting from Madam Azuka. Because those people who ran propaganda, this Ngozi Orabeze, because of it, Ejiwenye Madam Azuka suspension, have proven to be Nigerian government agent. So, if Nigerian government agent had problem with Madam Azuka, it means that Madam Azuka is incorruptible, and we must apologize to her unapologetically. We must apologize to Madam Azuka. If Nigerian government agent had problem with Madam Azuka, it means that everybody must apologize to her. That's my own. If you like, listen to the voice of the spirit. If you don't like, don't listen. Continue looking for propaganda. Continue looking for lies and deceits. I am Nwashibrobi. Kaigagon na ebe the idiot na say Abrana Mazen Nam the canon na go when yezioku, then plays yen cage of a macogwaron on age of four, no age of okay, I know the truth. So Mazen Nam the canon got visit bro. But I visited Mazen Nam the canon in Sokoto prison. What he said, DOS, on here actually flaunt. I am Nwashibrobi, please. And you people must stop the ingrates, all these questionable characters, people from nowhere visiting Onyendu. You people must stop that. Because the only agenda that the Sokoto Caliphate want is death to Onyendu. But they can't do it if not they corrupt the mind of our people to make our people hate Onyendu, then they will unalive Onyendu. Not Mazen Nnamdi Kanu sacrificed his family, his mother and his father. They invaded his home because, according to Mazen, he let bear what he wanted them to do. In all of this, there is nothing. He did not ask them to build house for him. He did not ask for them to do this for his family. No. He showed them what they will do for Ndibo, what they will do for Biafrans. But they choose death to him over the good plans he had. Let us go and listen to Ikpumezie, please.
No one imagine Nnamdi Kanu na go with you woman of the impossible. Na federal government gile ana zo Biafra, but Pauronga Katonga, Gese Gano dear, na instruction. Ya una what the Biafra Kena do.
It all started from here. Na Mazen Nnamdi Kanu na ha zo Biafra, and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu akochana. How many years in detention? 2 years before, 5 years and still counting now. 7 good years. Tirindin ko gaburaga on akocha 10 years of his life or 11 years of his life in detention. And Akwuna Nagari from one place to the other. Onye putara gunu na hana ndami bagamba. Na yo we challenge ndami we sa hapupu isi ihe na uno hokwa actor. Oto say na mmadụ na akọrọ na akọ na ajọ question. We challenge ndami we sa hapupu isi ihe hapupu isi nke a na izo hey actor Ikpumezie na hey ihe Chukwu ya ekpe. The betrayal in Igbo man's blood dịkwa deep. Ọkwa ụmụ nwaanyị ka a na-arịazi na nke ikpeazụ a. You know, Onyendu said when women come to Biafra, that all ye enwe ihu. And they are telling you, oh, women have come. That is the reason why they send Ngozi. Ngozi joined this very Biafra agitation 2022. After Nelly Ofuebu failed. The reason why they sent Nelly Ofuebu was part of the DOS original plan. Open your ear. Nelly Ofuebu was part of DOS original, Nigerian government original plan, not DOS. But Nelly Ofuebu was citing the DOS in order to obtain, when women joined this very struggle, Manana Okwenwenihu, they were singing it to you people. Oh, Nelly Ofuebu ekuliena, baramanye, nkani ibia. Then Nelly Ofuebu wants to snatch the government from Mazi Simon Ekpa. Unknowingly to her, ebe ọ gara ịga agwọ ọgwụ, onye kpọgara ya ebe ọ gara ịgwọ ọgwụ, ịsa ya ikpu, ọ na-emepere onye ya ikpu, eji agwọrọ ya ọgwụ. Onye kpọgara ya di abụ, ka ezi aha ya, ifi ya ọnwụ ga-egbu, onye kpọgara ya di ya, ebe a gara ịgwọ ọgwụ. Agwọba na ọgwụ gwọcha, were original picture n'ifi ya ọnwụ ga-egbu. So mgbe ọ chọrọ ịbịa agbagharị, if Young Gebu joined this very struggle from her own mind, not blackmail, no. Even afterthought betrayer. If Young Gebu have an afterthought betrayer, and after then, and it is ego gobiria to betray. Ego. Kande more. Oh yeah, gobiria to betray. Who is this person? Do you know who I am? Oh, here go Billy, Hana Nkihu Baroko, Emeka Livingstone them. I see people sharing his video. Ekwensu, Livingstone Ekwensu call and will remain so till Biafra come and beyond. I am Mwashibrobi, please. The only truth that I preach on this very platform, I am telling Elohim, may that truth save me. It is only the truth that will set us free. May that truth which I preach on this very platform, may it save me. I am preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke a na-akụ mmiri, truth that comes from the temple of the Most High, Chukwu Okike Abiama, upon whom and to whom alone all glory and all honor must be unto. They came to betray this very struggle as they made mistake. How would you hear her? Mgbe Maazị Simon Ekpa nọ na-preach, Ngozi Orabueze join 2022. Oge Nkere join 2022. Early 2022. Early 20, okay, one joined the 2021, while the other one joined 2022. Early. And they were given the position, prestigious positions, that they want to serve for Biafra. And due to their financial firepower, they were able to clinch onto that position that they are, and betrayed those that have original intention for Biafra. They betrayed them. Time shall come when I will tender my own undeserved apology to those that have original intention, which we are betrayed. But those ones even messed up by themselves by resigning from the struggle. Some of them we are given this thing, suspension. They could have stayed it. They know that they were trying to blackmail them. They could have served this thing, but they couldn't. Time shall come when we will make our apology, please, with no apology to anyone. There are people that came to this very struggle with their men mind, and they were blackmailed. They were blackmailed. I am Mwashibrobi, please. Continue inviting of the Ekwensu called the Ejiofor. Please watch.
Ono mana ihe nọ ya agba touch afọzọ, and eziokwu ahụ zoro ezo ka anyị na-achịpụtasị. Lately, IPOB has been in the news, especially on social media. Ihe na-agaghị anya obi mma, because over the years, I hụrụ ndị IPOB as ndị na-eme ihe ha in secrecy. Anyị ada amakawa ihe ha na-eme, which should be the normal thing for any organization. Mana kemgbe eji wee jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu from 2021, anyị afụkwa much of the noise 2022, but after 2022, gbagowezie, I don't know a lot of things, and accusations and counter-accusations. Now, after research, I get a man over where a lot of propaganda naga on where Choputonye name go name. I ain't not carry for the name because I thought that Nigerian media that is biased. You know, Blabasoro Igbo news, and Hannah the one-sided. So we took it upon ourselves. I can't allow or they report in any menu. Never put this so. You know, now, can I report to him on the will? I not further. In your pull, drop, Maka Olo, and he had a man Olo, near was a money. I not get for the way to take so. Now, recently, on last month, there were accusations on Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, lawyer Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. From our own research, or represented Nnamdi Kanu in between 2015 on the desire power till 2022, where Ndai Pop on a claim on actually true. And then I definitely put a lot of air to play on probudo. And I have a parallel touch, bar of the mother to John, or for the snap, or you go for the snow on probudo. I watakwa n'onye nwa na-agbakwa ndị IPOB niile a na-ejide okukwe ya rụrụ ya on mana ndị nna ya anya na Kanu nta Kanu bịara wetasi a lot of publication ada ego okwu n'olu ofu onye gosi na akwụghị ụgwọ anyị wee sị na ọ ga-adịkwa na mma ịnụ n'olu onye nke ọzọ ebe ọ bụ na ndị nke a na-akacha mana newspaper there, which to me it shouldn't be. Ihe niile ha na-ede isu m kwuo ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka a na-agba n'anwụ. Mana e nwere one challenge m na-enwe. These people na-ebu propaganda about somebody. Ịjazie ka iwepụta nke bụ eziokwu akụzie na a na-eme Maazị Nnamdi Kanu attack. Don't be surprised na this interview na a ga-ata nkwu ya na a na-eme Maazị Nnamdi Kanu attack. In my own opinion, onye bụ nke were mata Maazị Nnamdi.
About the introduction of Ejiofor, and most of you, if I do not explain to this introduction, some of you are saying all right thing na ka ya ka igba no touch mgbe o bidoro wee sị na ya oyeme Ejiofor invite. Also that Ejiofor will tell and explain the truth whatever happened in between him and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, which have authenticated it that any nonsense this man is going to spew here is the truth to you people. And according to her, in this introduction, ọ na-agwa unu that na abịa ekwu ihe niile na asị na a na-eme Maazị Nnamdi Kanu attack, but unu ebidogo n'ime Maazị Nnamdi Kanu attack. Ejiofor wrote na ha nwanyere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mantle. So what are you people insinuating? Then ndị DOS Chinasa Nwoshi and the rest of them say na ha nwere evidence of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu killing n'ala Igbo. No, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere order the killings n'ala Igbo. So what are you people talking about? Because people are now bashing you people on attacking Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. So they need to enter another phase of amending their lies. I am Mwashibrobi, please. There must be truth, and only the truth shall set us free. If you do not stand for truth, that means you are lying to your own self. That means you are deceiving your own self. That means you are telling yourself lies and deceit. It is only truth that will set you free. And that truth will set those of you free who love the truth. I have a countless of the video here of that video, but I will play it in next exposition because this one is over too lengthy. If I start, this one has approached my time of cutting the video. If I start now, it will take us to 1 hour plus, and everything is against Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Please note it. Ejiofor sị na ọ ha nwanyere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mantle. He wrote it very clearly that he called him white gịnị nwanụ. O nwere ka o si wee kpọọ ihe ndị soldiers of justice na-akpọ mgbe a ihe ọ kpọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Lawyer ka he refused to put Afara Ukwu Ibeku maka ndị soldiers of justice na-akpọ kedu ihe ha na-akpọ ọcha gịnị nwanụ from Afara Ukwu Ibeku. Ya nwere onwe edere nke ya white gịnị nwanụ ọcha freedom fighter claiming that he is fighting for the freedom. That onye ha nyere mantle wings to fly bịaziri na-abịa n'eko. Ejiofor was hired 2015. 2015 here, mgbe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime nga, onye nyere mmadụ mantle to fly was hired, the idiot, 2015. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu started preaching from 2009. Then came to limelight IPOB 2012. Mana onye nyere mmadụ mantle came 2015, 3 years after. Chineke eme bụ onye ọnụ. 3 years after, I could remember 2014 when I went to Ladipo to buy something. When Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for the very first time unveiled the face of the person preaching on Radio Biafra. Because he said, I will unveil my face. He unveiled his own face, 2014. I went to Ladipo, everybody gathered at a newspaper stand to see the face of the man preaching on Radio Biafra. 2014, but onye nyere mmadụ mantle. This Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was already known. Everybody was tuning. Every time you tune to Radio Biafra, you go and listen. Chinasa Nwohi called Radio Biafra when Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was preaching. Oh, when the name mmadụ wings to fly you. We know when he called Radio Biafra. when their Pan-Arabism told him to call Radio Biafra, the idiots. And the mad of mountain to fly. After which we finish exposing you people here. Ekwensu Bonoko. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi preaching from here. It is good morning. Pray. Hey, August 5th, Master Simon Ekpa will go to court. August 5th. Those of you who have not buy your ticket should go and buy the ticket. August 6th, he will go to court. Please buy ticket August 2, August 3. So that once you go there, you know the menu and the programs, how to follow. Please, let us stand in solidarity. Now you know that the reason why Mazi Simon Ekpa went to prison was defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Those of you who have conscience should be in Finland. Please, I bring this to conclusion today. Bye for now, please.